How long do electric vehicle batteries actually last? That question has followed electric cars ever since the first modern models quietly rolled onto the roads about 15 years ago. Back then, excitement about clean energy and cutting fuel costs was mixed with a very real fear. What happens when the battery dies? Would owners be stuck with a massive bill halfway through the life of the car? Today, with millions of electric vehicles on the road and more than a decade of real-world data behind us, we finally have clearer answers. And the story is more reassuring than many early predictions suggested. In today's episode, we break down what actually happens to EV batteries over time, what the data says about long-term durability, and what this means for buyers, investors, and the future of transportation. Let us rewind to around 2010. Modern electric vehicles were just entering the market. The biggest unknown was the large lithium-ion battery pack sitting under the floor. Everyone understood that batteries degrade. If you have ever used a smartphone for several years, you have experienced it firsthand. Over time, the battery holds less energy. The same happens with the small 12-volt battery in a traditional gasoline car. So naturally, people wondered, will EV batteries also fade quickly? At that time, some estimates suggested EV battery packs might last around 7 years. That was concerning because the average car on the road lasts more than a decade. If an electric car's battery failed halfway through its life, replacement costs could range from roughly $5,000 to $20,000. For many buyers, that uncertainty created hesitation. Now fast forward to today. We have data from tens of thousands of vehicles. Research firms and automotive companies have studied battery health across fleets of used electric vehicles. The results show that batteries are lasting longer than expected. To understand why, we need to understand how batteries age. Lithium-ion batteries experience two types of aging. The first is calendar aging. This means that even if a battery just sits there, time slowly reduces its ability to hold energy. The second is cyclical aging. Every time you charge and discharge a battery, that cycle causes a tiny amount of wear. Over hundreds or thousands of cycles, that wear adds up. So degradation is unavoidable. Whether you drive a lot or a little, the battery will eventually lose some capacity. But here is the important detail. Battery aging is not a straight line. According to data collected from more than 30,000 EV drivers, the pattern looks like an S-curve. There is a relatively quick drop in the beginning, then a long period where capacity levels off and declines slowly, and finally, much later in life, a more rapid decline. The good news is that the initial drop is not as severe as many feared. In fact, data from auto auctions shows that 2 to 4-year-old off-lease electric cars often have battery health scores well above 95%. That means after several years of regular use, most drivers have barely noticed any reduction in range. Cox Automotive, which has tested nearly 80,000 EVs, reports an average battery health of about 92%. That is a strong number, considering the diversity of driving conditions, climates, and charging habits across the country. What about older vehicles? This is where the data becomes even more interesting. Among electric vehicles that are 10 years old or older, more than 90% are still running on their original battery. Only around 8.5% have required a battery replacement. For a technology that once seemed risky and experimental, those numbers are impressive. High-mileage vehicles tell a similar story. EVs that have driven more than 150,000 miles and have not had battery replacements still retain at least 83% of their original range. That means a car that originally delivered 300 miles per charge might still offer around 250 miles after heavy use. For most daily driving needs, that remains more than sufficient. Of course, there are exceptions. Some batteries have been replaced early due to defects. Large-scale recalls have occurred for certain models. But new EVs come with battery warranties that typically cover at least 8 years or 100,000 miles. Automakers generally promise to replace the battery if capacity drops below around 70% during the warranty period. So for many early failures, owners were protected. Let us make this more concrete with a real-world example. Consider one of the early Tesla Model S vehicles from 2012. The original range was around 265 miles. After roughly 12 years and about 200,000 miles, that same vehicle delivers about 220 miles of range. That is roughly 83% of the original capacity. The owner reports that the car still drives strongly and remains reliable. This pattern is not an isolated case. It reflects the broader trend we see in fleet data. So why did early predictions underestimate battery life? One major reason lies in how batteries were tested in laboratories. Traditional battery life testing often involved repeatedly charging the battery to very high levels and discharging it to very low levels under stressful conditions. In real-world driving, usage is much gentler. Drivers accelerate, decelerate, and spend time at traffic lights. They rarely push the battery from 100% to 0% in one continuous cycle. As a result, real-world stress is lower than laboratory stress. Research published in Nature Energy in 2024 showed that traditional testing methods were harsher than everyday driving patterns. When batteries are used in realistic conditions, they age more gracefully. This helps explain why real-world performance has exceeded early expectations. Another reason for better durability is advanced battery management systems. Modern EVs actively control battery temperature. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of battery life. Engineers design cooling systems to keep batteries within optimal temperature ranges. Software also manages charging speeds and prevents extreme stress whenever possible. For drivers who want to extend battery life even further, a few practical tips can help. First, avoid excessive heat. Parking in shade or in a climate-controlled garage can reduce thermal stress. Second, try not to keep the battery at extreme states of charge for long periods. Many experts recommend charging to around 80% for daily use and avoiding frequent drops below 20%. Third, limit heavy reliance on fast charging. Research suggests that frequent fast charging can accelerate degradation compared to slower charging methods. At the same time, battery technology itself continues to evolve. Newer electric vehicles increasingly use lithium iron phosphate chemistry, often called LFP. These batteries are known for longer cycle life and improved durability compared to some earlier lithium-ion chemistries. Software systems are also becoming more sophisticated, further optimizing performance and longevity. There is also an important psychological shift happening. Unlike gasoline engines, EV batteries rarely fail suddenly. Instead, they gradually lose range. That means an owner might still use the vehicle comfortably for commuting or local driving even after noticeable degradation. For some, replacing the battery may not make economic sense. They might simply adapt to a shorter range and continue driving. Take the example of a 12-year-old BMW i3. In winter conditions, it may offer around 55 miles of range. That might sound low, but for short daily trips, it can still serve its purpose. Maintenance costs are typically lower than those of an aging gasoline vehicle, and the owner might choose to keep it rather than invest in a costly battery replacement. So what does all this mean for the global EV market? First, it reduces one of the biggest barriers to adoption. If consumers trust that batteries will last a decade or more with manageable degradation, confidence increases. Second, it supports the used EV market. Strong battery health after several years makes resale values more stable. Third, it has implications for sustainability. Longer battery life means fewer replacements, less material extraction, and better overall environmental outcomes. For investors and policymakers, this durability strengthens the long-term case for electrification. If battery packs routinely outlast the useful life of the vehicle, as some analysts suggest, then the economics of EV ownership continue to improve over time. However, we should remain realistic. We still do not have complete data on the full end-of-life phase for large numbers of EVs. The earliest modern electric vehicles are only now reaching 15 years of age. The final steep drop in the S-curve may take decades to fully observe, but so far the trend is encouraging. In summary, the fear that electric vehicle batteries would routinely fail after 7 years has not been supported by real-world evidence. Most batteries experience a small initial drop, then maintain strong performance for many years. Even high-mileage vehicles retain a large portion of their original range. Warranties provide protection against early catastrophic failure. And ongoing technological improvements are likely to extend lifespan even further. For beginners exploring the EV market, the key takeaway is simple. Electric vehicle batteries are proving to be more durable than many early critics predicted. They do degrade, but generally at a slower and more manageable pace than expected. As always on PyUncut, we focus on data over hype. And the data suggests that modern EV batteries are built not just for the short term, but for the long road ahead. If you found this breakdown helpful, stay tuned for more deep dives into technology, energy, and the future of mobility. This is PyUncut, and we will see you in the next episode.